Hello everyone, welcome to the unboxing of the Spigen Urban Fit case for the Buds 3 Pro. So here we go. I got this case, because I found it to be very stylish on the pictures. I hope it's going to be like so in real life. So it has a textile kind of feel to it. It's not rubbery totally. So here, this is how the top looks, like so. There we go. Let's have a look here at the bottom part of the case. It has a very nice textile feel. You have a rubber finish right here for the charging and for the Bluetooth, I believe, mode when you want to pair this with your device. I'm going to grab my Buds 3 Pro and have a look. So making sure that I'm putting this in the right way, like so. So textile, it has a very snug fit. As you can see, it's very good, like so. And you have with the top. Now, one thing that you'll see here is that this is working pretty well, but one of the things I'm feeling also, is that this thing is coming off very easily. So I think there must be something else going on, like in terms of keeping this on top of the case. So let's continue and we're going to come back to the device. So you have also this pouch here with a hook to be able to strap on your case to like a bag or a belt or whatever. So it comes here and there's an attachment right here. So you can just put this on and this is how it looks. There you go. So overall, very, very aesthetic. Has a rubber feel and seam right here where it opens and closes. Has the Spigen logo right here with a rubbery feel, which is great. And it also has a rubbery feel right here. Overall, it's a very aesthetic case. Really, really happy with it. It looks nice. So the pictures did do justice, at least the ones that I saw, so that is good. Now, the important thing is why I took this case compared to the other ones. This one is supposed to be able to still give the ability while on to charge the device. So I hope that is going to be true and that this is going to work as advertised, and we're just going to test this now. But just before we do that, let's look at this. What is this? This is an extra tape. I see. Okay, so this is great. They've given an extra one, and the reason I think this is that you can see the cover comes out very easily. So right inside here, you have a sticker. So you have the film, you just remove that. And then once you do that and you put this on, then that will just give it a better bonding, and this cover will not come out so easily. And you have an extra tape for that because with time as it wears, well, you will need to replace it. Okay, great. Now, let's have a quick test. I'm going to test this with my S24 Ultra and see if the Buds 3 Pro can still be charged with the case on. So let's have a look. I'm going to take my phone and I'm going to put this into charging mode. There you go. So now the phone is in charging mode. Let's see. Will this work? So unfortunately, it is not working with the case on. So it's not working with my phone case on. So let's try it without. That's a bit of a bummer, I'll be honest. I was hoping that I would get away with the case also. So just making sure quickly that my phone is still in charging mode. So let's have a look now without the cover. And yeah, it works. If you can see the red light right there. I heard also the beep. So this is great. The product is working as advertised. The case does enable you to charge wirelessly your Buds 3 Pro, and that is great. The unfortunate part is I had this Spigen also case from my S24 Ultra. This is a very, very nice case. Also, Spigen makes some really good cases and they make some great products. But unfortunately, this is not working when the phone has a case. So your mileage may vary depending on the case that you have, but at least if you are rocking your phone without a case, then rest assured you'll be able to charge it without taking it off, which I think is great. So yeah, there you have it, guys. I hope this was helpful. Once again, this is a very slick looking case. Got to give a thumbs up to Spigen once again for making a very nice product. I think that over time, this textile fabric is going to wear off as you're going to be putting this maybe with your keys or anything rough. This will give away. I'm not expecting this to stay as nice as it looks brand new, but it gets the job done. And definitely, if you're like me, always dropping your gadgets, then I think this is definitely worth the investment. All right, guys, I hope you liked it. I'll catch you in the next one. Stay safe. Take care of yourself. Bye.